Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate an API key in HubSpot quickly and securely so you can integrate your tools and apps seamlessly. First, log into HubSpot Dashboard. After logging in, go to the bottom left panel of the HubSpot interface and click on Developer. This is your gateway to all HubSpot developer tools, including API key management. Once inside, click on Keys. Here, you can create and manage the keys that allow integrations to connect with your HubSpot account. Now, look for the developer API key option and click it. You'll see a Create Key button. Go ahead and click it. Pro tip, give your key a clear, descriptive name based on its intended use. This will make managing multiple keys much easier in the future. Once your key is created, click Show to reveal the API key, and then copy it. Make sure to save this key securely. It acts like a password for your HubSpot data when used in third-party applications. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully generated an API key in HubSpot. Handle it with care and use it wisely to integrate and automate your workflows efficiently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more HubSpot tips and tutorials.